how to prepare for a divorce trial step by step. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Most divorces settle outside of court, but if your case is heading to trial, preparation is key. Today I'm going to walk you through the basic steps to get ready for a divorce trial in California. A divorce trial happens when you and your spouse can't agree on one or more major issues, like custody, support, or property division. The court will schedule a trial date, and both sides will present evidence and testimony so a judge can make the final decision. The first step is organizing your documents. That means having all your financial disclosures, bank statements, pay stubs, and property records ready to go. If child custody is at issue, you'll also want to gather any relevant communication records, school reports, or visitation logs. Next, you'll need to prepare your trial brief, a written summary of your position on each issue, along with the evidence you plan to present. This is a crucial part of the process, and if it's not done properly, it can hurt your case in court. We recently worked with a client who had been representing themselves. Their trial was a month away and they had no idea what to submit. We stepped in, prepared all the trial documents, helped organize their exhibits, and made sure they were ready to present a strong case. At Divorce 661, we don't represent you in court, but we help you prepare everything you need: your trial brief, witness lists, and all supporting documents. We make sure you meet court deadlines and follow the required format so you're not scrambling at the last minute. If you're preparing for a divorce trial and need help getting organized, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll make sure you're ready and give you the best chance of presenting your case clearly and effectively.